Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to my lecturer, Sir Muhammad Yusof, and my beloved friends. My name is Muhammad M. Firas bin Rashidi. My metric number is PIL231305. Today, I will be talk about the case of Zun Nasri Kasim and Malaysia Land Properties Sdn Bhd. This case deals with the dismissal of a probationary employee and whether it was justified. The claimant, Zun Nasri, was hired as a mall manager at Hartanas Shopping Centre in the August 2022. He is subject to a 6-month probation. So during the probation, he had two appraisals as score 33 and 46, both below the minimum pass mark of 50. He also received a warning for mishandling tenants' matter and even lodged an unauthorized complaint against a tenant that is a Grab kitchen using a third-party app. This led to a police report and a damaged company reputation. A domestic inquiry later found him guilty of a misconduct, and the company decided not to confirm his employment. The issue is that the industrial court had to determine whether the claimant released on probation had poorly performed in his employment with the company, and whether the company decision to dismiss the claimant was capricious or arbitrary. The court dismissed the claimant case. It held that the company had given him opportunities to improve, but he failed. His poor performance and unprofessional conduct justified non-confirmation. Since he was probationer, no formal written warnings were required and the dismissal was not arbitrary. The court emphasized two principles. Firstly, the probationer are on trial and must prove themselves suitable for confirmation. And secondly, unlike confirmed employees, probationers do not require formal written warning before dismissal. Appraisal and feedback are sufficient. This is consistent with the earlier case such as Harta Lega and Shamsul Hisham, and also case of Azmi and Co. and Firdaus Musa. In my views, the court reached the right conclusion. The claimant's performance was objectively poor and his action harms the company reputation. The employer acted reasonably and gave chance to improvement. However, I believe that companies should always ensure that probation assessments are tied clearly to job description and KPIs to avoid disputes about fairness. Therefore, this case shows that probation is not a guarantee of permanent employment, and failure to perform can lawfully result in non-confirmation. So that's all from me. Thank you.